In this video, I'm going to show how to use a dimple die. So this kit here is from Eastwood, which is a pretty decent kit, and it comes with these 5 pieces, all the way from 1/2 inch all the way up to 2.5 inch. Okay, and the one I'm going to show today is the 2 inch one here. And the way that you set this up, so there's 2 pieces. They both mate closely with each other. And you put the male one, meaning the one with the inner diameter, down, and then you'll put your piece down, and then on top of that you'll put this one. Now you can use, this is an arbor press, so it uses a little bit of mechanical force there, but hydraulic press honestly probably would work a little bit better. But this works decent. You can see with that I'm able to press in 18 gauge metal. It is important to note that it does distort the metal just a little bit. Notice that piece isn't flat anymore. But that said, you can always fix that, and I think it actually looks pretty nice, especially once you get that cleaned up. Now you might also ask yourself, well, does putting a hole in the panel compromise the structure of that? And actually it's the opposite. So this adds a little bit of 3-dimensional character to that panel, which significantly increases the rigidity of that panel. So this actually can reduce weight and increase the rigidity. Okay, so it's a really nice option. Also gives it kind of a custom or more unique look in some applications. Okay, so all right, so this is the bottom of the El Camino. This just shows one example of how you can use dimple die to kind of add some character to a panel, but also adds rigidity like I mentioned earlier. And can get a pretty good outcome from that. Now a set like I just showed, that's around $150 up to about $300 depending upon if you buy it on sale, but Eastwood has some pretty good deals at certain times of the year, like around the holidays, etc. But there are multiple other brands out there for that. In fact, if you know exactly what diameter you want, you can even buy just individual ones out there. But tons of ways to use dimple dies. Let me know if you got questions, ideas. I really appreciate all that. And thanks for checking out the video.